Viewers, hi, thanks for visiting my channel again. And I have this here in this little table, the icon and the AP Auto. So there's some online that they said the AP Auto is copy of this icon from Harbor Freight. So I'll give you some comparison, but I'm not gonna open it. So if you put it, the picture for the box, they about the same in length, and the only difference is the icon they have open on, while the AP Auto they don't. But as long that you swing this one, it's very smooth. So I'm not open the box for now here, because I just keep it for collection. As you can see, this one is sealed. So I just bought this one with 15%. I never have lucky. Sometimes they have 20% discount, but I don't. So if they have that one, that discount, most of the time I need to work that day, so I don't have time to go to Harbor Freight. But I give you side to side. That's the AP Auto, and the box of this AP Auto, it's this one. So I show you, they have a very nice box there, solid. You can stand it like this, and that's the side. And if you look at it, the front is there, so it says there, but it's upside down. AP Auto. So I'll give you a close-up look. And this one is made in Taiwan. So I think they both the same place that they made, but for my experience, I think Taiwan is more clean the way they do it. But anything that about these tools, Taiwan is better, but they both come from Republic of China. So when you open this box, so this is the one you see. So open it. So I give you a close-up look. It's there. This one is their one port, and this extension they have, it says there vanadium chrome. This one is the one port extension. It's about 5 inches long, and this one is the 3/8. Very decent in cut, and they have some ball bearing there for securing when you pour it in the ratchet. Some good detent there. You can feel it, very decent. And the biggest in metric is 19 mm, while the biggest in standard is 3/4. This one is only 6 point. It's not, if you like the 12 point, is not, this one's not for you. It's only 6 point, but the way they cut it is very nice. It's all shallow, there's no deep socket there. But this one is only good for backup through your trunk. In case you need it, you have some side tools in the side of you, on the side. And this one is some, you can use it for screw, but this one is not with screw. And the smallest for the is the no skip 4 and 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 19. That's the biggest one, and the smallest is 4 And from the no skip 2, the most the people use, they said, is 932, but they have there from 532 all the way to 3/4. So when you count it, how many is this standard? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 pieces. That's the total. And you have two wrenches there here, socket wrench. So let's, if you want to listen to hear that click, it's smooth. And swing this one on the other side and twist it again. You hear that when you twist it, it's very crisp, very smooth. And try the 381. So this is the 3/8. So you have more pathways to turn it, because it's a little bit bigger. This one's the 3/8 and the other one's 1/4. And swing it to the other side. So same thing. And let's go to this icon. It says there low profile 92 3/8 drive. They have a lifetime warranty on there. So the actual size of this one, it's 9 inches and 1/16 long. And the tip is not include the tip part. The 3/8 drive is not included. It's 9/16 thick compared to this one, but it's not, that one is not the actual thick of this one. So as soon I open this one for next time, I just gonna compare it again. And this one is the back part, and they manufacture this one, or they out for the warehouse March 1, 2024. And this one is the model number 56193 if you want to buy it. Lifetime warranty guarantee there. And this one you cannot get it without paying. They have a anti protection in case of death. And it says there 92 polished chrome finish, offer superior corrosion resistant and easily wipes clean. Ergonomic handle designed for reduced hand fatigue. The only negative to this one, if it is cold or if it is hot, sometimes it's hard to grip it. The while that they have rubber is more grippy. But for me, is this one, the reason why I buy this one, not the one with the grip. It's this one is to clean. So the red handle, when you has dirty and you grip it, it end up already make dirt the handle. So it's better like this. When you wipe it, it's clean right away. Low profile head. The head is low profile. It's clearance into most cramp work areas, like tight. Even though you have a very tight space, as long that this head it fits, you can in and out. And precision machine gears provide smooth ratcheting and action withstand heavy torque. And this one, it's the barcode. And I think that's it for now. So, because I cannot open it, so it says there, this one is the actual size. So if you compare to each other, you can tell the icon is longer, and in the head is longer too than this one. This one a little bit tiny. There's like a half inch bigger when you measure it from here to there. So I think that's it for now. So for comparison, I just want to show you how it look like when you put it side to side. But you can see this one is the actual size. They have a big difference. For me, I think they're not the same makers, but they have like look like in design, and they have both line there, you know, some cut there that you can tell is the same. And this one has engraved there. It's a kind of code, and this one is not. And they're pretty close in a very end. So I think that'll be it, and that's the only I can tell if you compare it side to side. And I give you a close-up look for this AP Auto. I changed the foam because this one is more grippy. And let's try to close it, and it's still stick when you shake it hard. So I show you right now. So make sure everything is in place. Lock it and shake it, and just open it again. And that's the most positive there. That's why people loves it. It stays in place. This one is all vertical, not like the other design. They have some additional pads there. This one is everything intact to the other side. And the lock, I like it. It's metal. See that latch? And the hinges here, it's plastic. I don't know if you can knock that one to pour it in your, if you have a toolbox drawer. So I'll give you a close-up look before I turn this one out so that you can see. So this one is the hinges. It's plastic solid. It's decent. And the lock that hold the locks, you can tell it's solid plastic too, not the other brand. Sometimes when you push this one, it's soft, so it's not stable, it's not solid. While this one, when you squeeze it, you can feel solid. And they cut this one to, I think, to minimize the materials and to make it stable too, so to hold the whole case. So thank you very much. So this the review for now. So thanks for watching. A very simple comparison, but for now I cannot open this one, so I buy this one only for collection. So I already have a lot of different tools. There's mechanic tools. They have a small one, I have a bigger one, and this one, and I have the old model from 80s, the Craftsman, made from here. They never do that no more. I don't know if I can still find it. Okay, thank you very much. Peace, I'm out. See you next time. Bye-bye.